Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing how Notion AI can be integrated with other productivity tools to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Notion AI is a powerful tool that you can use to automate repetitive tasks and speed up your workflow. By integrating Notion AI with other productivity tools, you can save time and focus on more important tasks. Let's start by taking a look at some of the productivity tools that you can integrate with Notion AI. Zapier. Zapier is a web-based automation tool that allows you to connect Notion AI with over 3,000 other apps. You can use Zapier to automate tasks such as creating tasks in Notion AI when a new email is received or adding new contacts to your CRM when a new task is created in Notion AI. Trello. Trello is a popular project management tool that can be integrated with Notion AI to create a streamlined workflow. You can use Trello to create a project board and add tasks that need to be completed. You can then use Notion AI to automatically create tasks in Trello when certain conditions are met. Slack. Slack is a messaging app that can be integrated with Not. This is it. Thanks for watching.